Welcome back to AutoNerveX. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most astonishing machines BMW has ever built, the all-new 2026 BMW. This isn't just a car. It's a performance revolution wrapped in luxury and precision. With a staggering 835 horsepower under the hood, cutting-edge hybrid tech, and a design that blends aggression with elegance, the M9 is here to challenge the very definition of what a grand touring supercar should be. Let's start with the design. From the very first glance, the 2026 BMW M9 demands attention. The front fascia features an aggressive reimagining of BMW's iconic kidney grills, wider, lower, and more sculpted than ever. Flanking the grille are ultra-slim adaptive laser headlights that pierce through the darkness with crystal clarity. The hood is long, flowing, and muscular, with aerodynamic vents carved precisely to optimize airflow and cooling. Moving to the sides, the profile is sleek yet powerful. The roofline sweeps back into a low-slung fastback rear, while sharp body lines and carbon fiber side skirts give the car a performance-focused stance. 22-inch forged alloy wheels with active aero blades reduce drag at high speeds and behind them lie massive carbon ceramic brakes finished in signature M blue. The rear of the car is equally dramatic. Old tail lights, a full-width light bar, and an active rear diffuser with quad titanium exhausts complete the hyper-aggressive look. Inside, the M9 is a showcase of BMW's next-generation luxury. The cockpit is driver-focused, but it never sacrifices comfort. You're greeted with hand-stitched merino leather seats featuring massaging, cooling, and memory functions. The dashboard is adorned with carbon fiber and brushed aluminum trims, and ambient lighting flows across the cabin with customizable themes. At the center, you'll find a curved 15-inch OLED display seamlessly blending the instrument cluster. And infotainment system? BMW's latest iDrive 10 system powers it, complete with AI voice control, real-time performance data, and over-the-air updates. The center console houses a new crystal gear selector and a dedicated drive mode dial, giving you access to comfort, sport, track, and electric-only modes. Yes, the M9 is a plug-in hybrid combining a 4.4L twin-turbo V8 with an advanced electric motor. Together, they deliver 835 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meters of torque, launching the M9 from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.6 seconds. Power is channeled through an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission to all four wheels via BMW's xDrive system. The hybrid system isn't just about performance, it's about balance. You get up to 70 kilometers of pure electric range, making city drives emission-free and whisper quiet. The M9 uses a 45 kilowatt-hours battery pack, which can be charged up to 80% in just under 30 minutes with fast charging. But when you put your foot down in sport or track mode, the combustion engine roars to life, delivering a spine-tingling soundtrack and instant response. BMW has also integrated its M-Adaptive Suspension Pro and rear-wheel steering, giving the M9 precise handling at high speeds and better maneuverability in tight urban settings. Add to that an active aerodynamic system that adapts in real time based on your speed and drive mode, and what you get is a car that's just as capable on a racetrack as it is on a mountain pass or luxury highway cruise. In terms of tech, the M9 is packed. You get Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities for highway cruising, advanced driver assist systems, a 360-degree AR camera setup, and even a head-up display with navigation over real-world streets. Sound is delivered through a 1,400-watt Bowers and Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, ensuring every note is studio clear whether you're listening to Mozart or Metallic. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model of the 2026 BMW M9 starts at around $210,000 USD, but with customization options, performance packages, and luxury upgrades, the fully loaded variant can cross the $260,000 mark. It's a significant investment, yes, but for those seeking a true hybrid super luxury experience, it's unmatched. In conclusion, the 2026 BMW M9 isn't just another luxury coupe. It's a statement that performance and sustainability can coexist, that aggressive design can still be elegant, and that BMW's M division is thinking far into the future. If you're looking for a car that turns heads, delivers lightning-fast performance, and wraps you in the finest materials on four wheels, this might just be your dream ride. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 BMW M9. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the future of automotive excellence. This is AutoNerveX. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review. Thank you very much.